Today's video, we're going to Rainforest Cafe. So, like, I wanted to do a video where we went to the worst rated restaurant, but then Skylar called and he was like, hey, we finna go to Rainforest Cafe tonight. And I was like, that checks out.
Guys.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Okay, no, so
How do I like
the worst review was that so first of all, they took their 5 kids to under 10. How do you have 5 kids under the age of 10? Like, what are you doing with your life? Okay. Okay, true. Okay, and so the worst comment I had was that it got 1 star, and he's like, they brought my son's food and there was like a dead cockroach on the plate. Yeah.
Is this the one in Grapevine?
Yeah. This is the one we're going to.
Yeah.
So hi, welcome to our edition of We're Visiting the Worst Restaurants in DFW. But yeah, so like this is rated awfully, so like we gotta go in there and figure out what's going down.
You know, I understand the rating's been going there since I was probably like 4. Each time I cried. The one time I didn't cry was when I went with Liz before prom.
Literally the only point of taking your kids there is to get a video of them being scared shitless by like the animatronics.
No, like my parents were like, we're never fucking come here again. And we're gonna cry like this.
Skylar, what are your thoughts? Because you're the one that wanted to come to Rainforest Cafe.
You
gotta lean up, see?
I want to find a cockroach to get free food.
No, but apparently when they found the cockroach, they didn't even take the food off their checks. They just took 2 kids' meals off and made them pay for the rest of the stuff.
See,
like that's.
If there's like a hair or a cockroach in my shit, I'm gonna fucking erase some hell. I'm gonna make these bitches hate their fucking life. Like I'm gonna say, I'm gonna contact corporate. I'll call them right the fuck then and there. I don't give a fuck. I'm getting free motherfucking food.
I think you should fight the giant crocodile.
Okay, but like last time when we went, I forgot Anna was there, and we were like, wow, the food kind of smacks. That's why we considered it for prom.
How are we feeling?
I'm hyped.
Grace, what are your thoughts? Yes. Oh, you're gonna see the crocodile. And you're gonna want to fight it. Oh, Grace, we forgot the coins for the crocodile. Ready? There he is. You gonna fight him? I'm getting hit on the way out.
So update, it smells like stank pussy in here.
What would you give the smell?
Like a nasty ass bitch smell.
No, I mean, what would you rate it out of 10?
Fishy.
Okay. We've been here for 30 minutes. We literally all like ordered appetizers, so don't really know where our food is, but service so far, we lost our waitress. We haven't seen her.
She got mad when I asked for the menu.
Oh, she hasn't been here. I haven't seen her anywhere.
Tea.
What? Look what my Sprinkle Jesus app just said. It says, there, I said it, looks matter to me. If God doesn't like ugly, why should I?
Oh my God.
Sometimes
I think God's trying to send us a message because Skylar's looking up how to eat ass right now.
the first line
You
is...
only get $3 off an ice cream cake.
Damn, the first line is, sometimes butt tastes like poop.
Okay, now the flash is off because I don't want to annoy people. What are your thoughts on your burger?
So my burger's burnt to shit.
Mine is good.
I haven't tried this. I'm fucking scared, bro.
At Rainforest Cafe, we have a very special guest. Grace is turning 19, so give her a round of applause.
Ooh, yeah, Grace!
Happy birthday, mama's you. We're so special, made just for you. Hope you have super fantastic day. Happy birthday, Rainforest Cafe.
Yeah, Grace!
Happy birthday. If they want to sing to you and embarrass you some more, go ahead and like
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jesus. I was waving the guy behind way back. How's the cupcake?
It's Cool Whip and cake with ew.
Can I throw the fork in the mouth?
Get it over quick. Too sauce.
We got it.
Rainforest Cafe recap. Skylar?
Burnt ass food and pussy smell.
Shitty birthday dessert.
Skylar threw a bent fork into the alligator's mouth.
That's what I get. Fuck Rainforest Cafe.
Well, my ponytail goes through this.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would we rate it overall?
10 for the hat, 5 for everything else.
I like throwing the fork in the alligator's mouth. That was about it.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
Like solid 3.5.
You know what? I give it like a solid 4. Like, I mean,
Liz, how does it fit your head so good?
because I adjusted it.
Oh, mine's on the smallest setting.
Mine's on the biggest and it's still barely fits.
Skylar bent the fuck out of this knife.
Wait, why didn't you throw that too?
Yeah, that's true. We needed to keep one thing as a souvenir. Yeah, so
We needed the fucking menu, but she wouldn't.
I
give
got
it
a
to me.
dick pic from a guy once, and it looks like this. It's just
Wait,
curve. Go.
Yeet.
where'd it go?
Bro, that bitch.
Some people call me the space.
I can see it.
Some people call me Maurice. Woo, woo, 'cause I speak of the pompous love.